This is the third one.
Another
And
successful break.
Successful. Or same result. Time and again, we always mention this, that these successful breaks produce. Pero again, continuing on that thought,
Ang ganda ng kalat ng mga bola.
it's quite
Pretty straight, but still with an angle here. So he forced the cue ball to move forward and landing nicely. Sunod, Lolo. By the way, guys, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung Lolo kasi is a
yung
term.
cue ball.
Look
Diba
at
yung
this
mga
right
taga
here.
Rizal, diba? May mga,
Iba naman ang term
may mga
nila.
term yan. Hindi, yung mga
Banayad,
terms, yung mga banayad. Oo.
Pero yung pato sa kanila, ang tawag.
Eh, pato talaga.
Okay, kala ko
Oh.
naman special term.
Pwede. So, magawin nating duck para maiba lang, diba?